Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with available Mazda Connect emergency communication system, HomeLink, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, available E911 automatic emergency notification, infotainment system with voice command, rear view camera, third row seating, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rain sensitive windshield wipers, SMS text message audio delivery and reply system, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.